Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by preparing your Joystick and Windows 11 PC for connection. Use a USB 2.0 or USB 3.0 port and attach the joystick directly to the PC. If your joystick uses a wired connection, plug it into a rear USB port for stable power. For wireless models, turn on the joystick and enable pairing mode. Open Settings, select Bluetooth and Devices, and choose Add Device to begin pairing. Wait 10 to 30 seconds, while Windows 11 detects the controller and begins installing drivers. If Windows does not fully recognize your joystick, open Device Manager to inspect status. Expand Human Interface Devices and look for a new game controller or unknown device entry. If it shows errors, right-click and choose Update Driver. Visit the manufacturer support page and download the latest driver or firmware for your model. Run the installer and follow prompts, then restart the PC. If automatic drivers fail, run Windows Update and allow 5 minutes for optional driver packages to appear. After drivers install, calibrate and test the joystick before gaming. Open Control Panel, go to Devices and Printers, then right-click the joystick and select Game Controller Settings. Click Properties and use the Settings tab to run the Calibrate wizard for axes and button mapping. Test each axis and button to ensure ranges are correct and detect any drift. Configure dead zones, sensitivity, and button assignments inside your game or Steam Big Picture. Save profiles and backup settings to the manufacturer cloud or an exported file.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.